Businessman Tumelo Nku has made explosive claims before the Madlanga Commission, alleging that the 2021 Aeroton cocaine bust involving drugs valued at approximately 300 million rand was orchestrated to stop a rival drug trafficker from receiving the shipment. While giving evidence, Nku testified that former Deputy Defense Minister Kebby Mapotse recruited him to assist a man identified only as Abby, who he believed was involved in the coal mining business. According to Nku, he was asked to use his contacts within the shipping industry and Transnet to help authorities intercept what was described as a competitor's shipment. Nku told the commission that he was never informed the cargo allegedly contained cocaine. Instead, he believed the operation was intended to prevent a rival from receiving the consignment, thereby damaging that person's relationship with suppliers and potentially avoiding a violent turf war between competing criminal groups. He further testified that the 60,000 rand found inside his vehicle during the operation was meant to pay a Transnet official, Zamo Khuzwayo, in exchange for access to live cargo tracking information. However, Nku claimed the payment was never made because the tracking system had been restricted, leaving only a designated case manager with full access. According to his testimony, Khuzwayo instead allegedly provided screenshots from the Transnet tracking system which helped identify the truck transporting the shipment. Following the Aeroton operation, Nku was arrested alongside Samuel Mashaba, the acting deputy director of Gauteng's Community Safety Department. Warrant Officer Steve Pakula of the National Intervention Unit and Warrant Officer Marumo Mahane of Zonkizizwe Police Station. They faced charges related to drug dealing following the high-profile cocaine seizure. The Madlanga Commission continues to hear evidence as it investigates the allegations surrounding the case. The claims made by Nku are part of his testimony before the commission and remain subject to further examination and verification. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.